This is me, Devin, and this is my girlfriend, Jade. Together, we are BonBonVoyage. This year has been the craziest, most exciting roller coaster year of our lives. Last fall, I said goodbye to my 9-to-5 job and followed Jade to Ireland, where she completed an internship abroad. We lived in Dublin for 3 months and made the most of every free second we had, seeing all that Ireland had to offer. While we were in Dublin, we took the opportunity to visit some of the cities that were only a hop, skip, and a jump away. We ditched Dublin for a weekend and explored Paris, France. We checked a bunch of stuff off our bucket list, including moments like eating a crepe under the Eiffel Tower. Another weekend, we flew over to London and rode the tube all over the city. Finally, we flew to Birmingham, England to see the famous Christmas markets and enjoyed all of the German-inspired cuisine. When our 3 months in Dublin was over, we flew home to Buffalo to spend the holidays with our families. While being in the United States, we couldn't miss experiencing New York City at Christmas time. We rang in the new year by packing our bags for an intended 5-month excursion to Southeast Asia. We spent several weeks in Thailand exploring their beautiful islands and beaches. We even got scuba certified. We then made our way to Malaysia for a few days, bounced over to Singapore, and then to Indonesia so we could experience the Bali life. While we traveled, we began to hear more about the coronavirus spreading nearby, and our families began to worry about our health and safety. So we made the difficult decision to cut our trip short at 2 months. We went from paradise on earth to quarantining at home in Jade's childhood bedroom.
Several months later.
With the virus spreading and travel restrictions getting tighter, we wanted to think of a way to still travel given the circumstances.
I bought a school bus!
Meet Atlas, our 27-foot 1992 International 3800. We bought her from Fern the Bus at the end of June 2020 and have begun converting her into our tiny home. Our plan when we finish is to see all that the United States has to offer. There are so many ways to follow the Atlas. We will be posting to YouTube every Sunday, but if once a week isn't enough, we are also on TikTok and Instagram. We are so excited for you to take this journey with us as we see the world one piece at a time. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications of our upcoming videos.